Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you one of the new features on LinkedIn, and basically it's related to the search results. So let's just jump into it. Let's first set up the goal, what we want to achieve. Let's say we are looking for the mid-sized companies in the field of real estate in Texas, USA. So this feature is related to the company's search on LinkedIn, and it's very relevant for those who are B2B oriented. So those who are looking for companies as their prospects. In the search bar, we'll type in the industry. Let's say it's a real estate industry, and then we'll click on enter. We'll click enter, and then we'll have this filter with all these options open up, and then we will choose the companies. Now we'll have about 302,000 results. So we'll choose these all filters, although the other way around will be to choose location here from this menu, location and industry and company size. Or we can just click on all filters and choose the same thing on the right side. So basically this right side search bar is actually the new feature on LinkedIn. So here we can choose the location. Let's type in Texas, United States. Now we have 15,000 results. Well, let's choose industry. It's real estate. 8,400 results. Company size, mid-sized company, let's say up to 200 employees. And we have 453 results now. So much from me in this video. I hope you find it useful. If this video has brought any value to you, please consider liking the video and commenting below if you have any questions. Also, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button if you would like to get informed about my new videos related to the personal branding, LinkedIn, and digital marketing in general. Stay safe and stay healthy, dear people.